Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Kia Sedona, and we're going to go over how you would replace the blinker light and clearance light that's in the center here. We had our side marker light is over here, low beam, high beam, and then right in here this tab is the blinker tab. And so it could be a different color sometimes, but this is still black. But you just gotta reach and grab it, turn it a quarter turn to the counterclockwise, and then you can pull this whole unit out. And this is the light, and this is a double element light, so it partially lights up when you turn on the lights itself, and then when you have the blinker, it'll blink. So then you'll just press this in and twist it to remove. Now, because it's got the double element, you've got a longer pin, or a pin that's closer to the bottom versus this one that's up in the middle. So when you put it back in, you have to make sure that you line it up right, or it won't work right. See, like that's the wrong way with this pin up top, so you got to spin it around, and then that way you can spin and lock it in. So this is a it is a 2357 natural amber, and the amber is just this color, and the reason it's a natural, you wanted to put a natural amber back in, is because the lens cover outside is clear, and so if you put a clear bulb in, you're not going to be able to see what color or what you're trying to do when you turn your blinker on. You might confuse people. So you would take your new one, make sure that you line the long pin up, and you can look down in here to see where it's supposed to go. But you put it in, twist it to the left or to the right, and then you take the whole unit, put it in the hole there, and then turn it a quarter turn to the right in its locking position, and then you would just go ahead and check all your lights and make sure, or check that the light works and that you put it in properly. So that's how you replace your blinker light and clearance light on the front of your 2016 Kia Sedona. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.